So here's today's healthcare SEO tip for private clinics. And what Google have just done is they've made it so that you can add annotations into your Google Search Console data. This is actually really handy because it means that if you make changes to your website, you can record them here within Google Search Console. And then when you're looking back at graphs from the last 16 months, the last 3 months, the last 28 days, 7 days, the last 24 hours, you can see on here what changes were made and the effect that those changes actually had. The next thing to do after that is you actually right click on the graph. So if I wanted to make a note here on the 25th of October, I'm going to add in an annotation, and then I'm simply going to say, I changed my treatment pages today. And you can then click on that the next time you come in and you can see what changed so that the graph went up and to the right or went down and to the right, whatever the case may be. That's your healthcare SEO tip for today. If you need any help with this, then get in touch. Otherwise, I will see you again tomorrow. Take care. Bye.